Hello, my name is Justin Roberts, and I'm doing an interview with fellow NXW superstar LightningBolt. What do you want to say?
People used to call me a chicken. That's not true. People used to call me weak. That's not true. Because my losing streak, it ended last night. And guess what? I'm gonna defeat Fire Ferret. I'm gonna defeat him in a casket match because I have beaten Wilson A in a casket match before. And here he is.
Hey, here comes Wilson. He's on the server. Woo! Well, so
I will destroy Fire Ferret like I destroyed you.
LightningBolt, we know that the Lone Devastators are full of surprises after what we have saw in the past weeks. How are we gonna, like, be able to keep up with them, guys?
Well, I've got the Phantoms of the Rain, of course.
Yeah, but what if they betray you just like Cyber betrayed you in that tag match?
You know, I've been betrayed too many times. I've been betrayed by face superstars when I've never been face, but I tag team another face and I was thinking about it. And guess what? I've never thought of turning face except from that. And I will never, ever be a good guy. I will never treat people like they treat me because people treat me with respect. But
nobody gives you... Hey, shut the fuck up. Nobody gives you respect. You don't give respect. You care about yourself.
yeah, I care about victory.
Right. We care about
Okay, I turned down the Skype call just because. Okay. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. That was weird. So LightningBolt, how would you like to finish your interview?
I'd like to finish by saying that Destiny in just a few hours. Match 2, the second match in Destiny, one of the biggest pay-per-views in NXW history. I will defeat the rodent. I will defeat Fire Ferret because ferrets, they're nothing but creatures that only live for 5 years.
Okay. So, thank you for watching.
It's gonna die.
Okay. So, thank you for watching this interview, and stay tuned for NXW Destiny. I might post some videos in the fallout of it. And by the way, I'm gonna beat chickens. Bye.